Dear students, today we are going to do revision on chapter number 12, that is understanding quadrilateral. Note, dear students, as you know, we have 5 chapters for our unit test, that is chapter number 1 rational number, chapter number 2 exponents, chapter 3 square and square roots, chapter 12 understanding quadrilateral, chapter 18 introduction to line graph. In the above chapters 1, 2, 3, I have already revised for a class test. If you want to revise again, you can go and watch the revision videos of these 3 chapters, that is chapter 1 rational numbers, chapter 2 exponents, chapter 3 square and square roots. So today we are going to revise chapter 12, that is understanding quadrilateral. What is a quadrilateral? We have already studied. A quadrilateral is a simple closed figure formed by four-sided polygon. Elements of quadrilateral. Vertices of quadrilateral. There are 4 vertices. Vertex A, vertex B, vertex C, vertex D. Sides of quadrilateral. There are 4 sides. AB, side BC, side CD and side DA. Angle DAP, angle ABC, angle BCT and angle CDA are called the interior angles of quadrilateral. Angle 1, angle 2, angle 3 and angle 4 are called the exterior angles. The line segment joining two non-adjacent vertices, that is AC and BD, are its diagonals. AB and BC, BC and CD, CD and DA, DA and AB are adjacent sides. Opposite sides of quadrilateral. Which are the opposite side? AB is opposite to CD and BC is opposite to AD. These are the opposite sides of quadrilateral. Sum of the measures of interior angles of quadrilateral equals to 360 degree. So, angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D is equals to 360 degree. So, the statement says sum of measures of interior angles. Interior angles are angle A plus angle B, C and D are the interior angles of quadrilateral equals to 360 degree. Let's solve sum based on it. The angles of a quadrilateral are in the following ratios. Find the measurement of the angle 2:3:4:6. We have given the ratio of the 4 angles. So we need to find the measures of the angles. Let the angle of the quadrilateral be 2x, 3x, 4x and 6x. The sum of angles of quadrilateral, as we have seen in the previous slide, is equals to 360 degree. Thus 2x plus 3x plus 4x plus 6x equals to 360 degree. 15x equals to 360 degree. X equals to 360 upon 15. 15 ones are 15, 24 are 360. So x equals to 360. Thus the angles of quadrilaterals are 2 into x. X is 24. So 2 into 24, which is 48 degree. Again 3x. So 3 into 24, which is 72 degree. 4 into 24, which is 96 degree, and 6 into 24, which is 144 degree. So the angles of quadrilaterals are 48 degree, 72 degree, 96 degree and 144 degree. Find the value of unknown angles. There are 3 given angles and 1 is unknown. So, as we know, the sum of interior angles of quadrilaterals is 360 degree. So, 80 degree plus 140 degree plus 70 degree plus x is equals to 360 degree. We need to find out this x. So, add 80 plus 140 plus 70, which gives you 290 plus x equals to 360 degree. We need to find the x. Keep x on one side. So plus 290, when it goes on other side, it becomes minus. So 360 minus 290, which is 70 degree. So x I got 70 degree. The next property, sum of the exterior angles of polygon. Which are the exterior angles? Name the polygon. PQRS is the polygon and the exterior angles are angle 4, angle 5, angle 6 and angle 7 are the exterior angles of polygon PQRS. So the sum of exterior angles, that is angle 4 plus angle 5 plus angle 6 plus angle 7 is equals to 360 degree. Thus, the sum of exterior angles of an n-sided polygon equals to 360 degree. Let's solve sums based on it. Find the number of sides of a regular polygon, each of whose exterior angles measures as follows. We have given the exterior angle, we need to find the number of sides of a regular polygon. So how to solve this sum? So the angle given it is 24 degree. Solution, sum of exterior angles we already know is equals to 360 degree. Measure of each exterior angles which is given, that is 24 degree. Then the number of exterior angles. So the number of exterior angles equals to sum of exterior angles upon measure of each exterior angles which is given, that is 360 upon 24. So 24 ones are 24, 15s are 360. So answer comes to be 15 degree. We know that an n-sided polygon has n exterior angles. Thus the polygon has how many sides? 15 sides. Find the measure of which exterior angles of a regular polygon which has, now we have given side and we need to find the exterior angles. So side given it is 12 sides. Solution, for a regular n polygon, the measure of an exterior angle equals to 360 degree. We already know. And since the regular polygon has how many sides? 12 sides which is given. Then an exterior angle equals to 360 upon 12. 12 ones are 12, 30s are 360. So measure of an exterior angle equals to 30 degree. Now types of polygon. Quadrilateral. The first one it was parallelogram. What is a parallelogram? A parallelogram is a quadrilateral where each pair of opposite sides are parallel. A, B, C, D is a parallelogram which implies AB is parallel to CD and AD is parallel to BC. Let's study the properties of parallelogram. The opposite sides are equal. The opposite sides of a parallelogram are equal, which means AB is opposite to CD. So the property says opposite sides are equal, that is AB is equals to CD and DA is equals to BC as opposite sides are equal. The next property, opposite angles are equal. Angle A is opposite to C and angle B is opposite to angle D. The property says opposite angles are equal, which means angle A equals to angle C, angle B equals to angle D. The third property, the diagonals bisect each other. In the parallelogram, there are how many diagonals? Two diagonals, diagonal AC and diagonal BD. The property says the diagonals bisect each other. AO equals to CO and BO is equals to DO. The fourth property, adjacent angles are supplementary. Adjacent angles, there are four angles. So adjacent angles are supplementary. What do you mean by supplementary? The sum of these angles is equals to 180 degree. So angle A plus angle B equals to 180 degree. Angle B plus angle C equals to 180 degree. These are the adjacent pairs. Angle C plus angle D equals to 180 degree and angle A plus angle D equals to 180 degree. Let's solve one sum based on these properties. Given the parallelogram PQRS, state the length of PQ and PS. We have given the length of QR equals to 30 cm and length of RS equals to 12 cm. Solution, in the parallelogram PQRS, we need to find the length of PQ and PS. First one, PQ is equals to RS. Why? Opposite sides of parallelogram are equal. But RS is equals to 12 cm which is given. So PQ equals to RS equals to 12 centimeter. Therefore PQ equals to 12 centimeter. The second one, PS equals to QR. Why? Opposite sides of a parallelogram are equal. So QR equals to 30 centimeter, which is given. So PS equals to QR equals to 30 centimeter. Therefore PS equals to 30 centimeter. Kinds of parallelogram. There are three kinds of parallelogram: rectangle, rhombus and square. The first one, rectangle. What is a rectangle? A rectangle is a parallelogram in which each angle is a right angle. The properties of rectangle. A, B, C, D is a rectangle, and the properties of rectangles are: first one, opposite sides are parallel and equal. Which are the opposite side? AB is opposite to CD and AD is opposite to BC. The first property says opposite sides are parallel and equal, which means AB is parallel to CD and AD is parallel to BC, and they are equal, which means AB is equals to CD and AD is equals to BC. Each angle is a right angle. Angle A equals to 90, angle B equals to 90, angle C equals to 90, angle D equals to 90. So the second property says each angle is a right angle. The third property, diagonals are equal. There are two diagonals in rectangle, A, C and BD. These are the diagonals of a rectangle and they both are equal. Diagonals bisect each other. The diagonals of a rectangle bisect each other and they intersect at 0. Properties of rhombus. What is a rhombus? A rhombus is a parallelogram. It is a parallelogram in which all four sides are equal. PQRS is a rhombus and all sides, that is PQ is equals to QR is equals to RS is equals to PS. So all sides are equal. The properties of rhombus. First property, opposite sides are parallel, which means PS is parallel to QR, RS is parallel to PQ. All sides are equal, which means PQ is equals to QR is equals to RS is equals to PS. Opposite angles are equal. Which are the opposite angles? P is opposite to angle R, angle S is opposite to angle Q, and they are equal, which means angle P equals to angle R, angle S equals to angle Q. Diagonal bisect each other at right angle. Which are the diagonals of rhombus? PR and SQ. There are two diagonals and they intersect at point O. The property says diagonal bisect each other at right angle, which means angle ROQ equals to 90, angle QOP equals to 90, angle POS equals to 90 and angle ROS equals to 90 degree. The third one, that is square. What is a square? A rectangle having all sides equal is called a square. Note, a square is a rectangle and at the same time is a rhombus. So, a square will have all the properties of a rectangle as well as rhombus. So, square is a mixture of these both, that is a rectangle and a rhombus. So, it will have all the properties of a rectangle as well as rhombus. So, let's look at the properties of a square. ABCD is a square. The first property, all four sides of a square are equal, that is AB is opposite to BC is opposite to CD, which is equals to AD. So, AB is equals to BC is equals to CD is equals to AD. The second property, opposite sides are parallel. Which are the opposite side? AB is opposite to CD and AD is opposite to BC. So, opposite sides are parallel, which means AB is parallel to CD and AD is parallel to BC. Each angle of a square is a right angle. Angle A, angle B, angle C and angle D. There are four angles in a square and each angle is a right angle. That means angle A, angle B, angle C and angle D. Each angle is a 90 degree. The fourth property, diagonals are equal. diagonals of a square are equal. AC is a diagonal and BD is a diagonal, so they are equal. And the fifth property, diagonal bisect each other at right angle. So students, please learn these properties. As it is a MCQ based test, you may get questions based on properties. I hope you all have understood this chapter. So go through the sums which we have done in the chapter previously. Today I have just revised the main topics of this chapter, and please go through all the videos of this chapter, and I have given a small assignment for you. Please try to solve it. Thank you.